Hey guys, what is going on? This is AG685 here, and I don't know why I'm doing this accent, but I'm just pretty used to it. So in this video I'll be making a let's play on Terraria, but we shall create a character first. I've actually recorded this before, but there was bug problems with the audio, so I'll just make this again. I know I'm randomizing it, but I'll make this guy again. I'm actually taking it with what I actually look like, kind of, I guess. I've dark brown eyes. Everybody has dark brown eyes if you don't know. It's not actually black, it's brown, okay? I'll use purple because I like purple. That's my favorite color. So I'll do it like sleeveless, and let's use jeans, and I'll not be barefooted, but I'll use these shoes. Great. Alpha 685. Second expanded. Let's play 2019. So I'll produce this world. I'll just pause it here because it's pretty hard to produce a world and pretty slow. So yeah, I'll just pause this video here and I'll see you in the next scene. So welcome back. This is my world. So yeah, I will be making a house here and probably, like, what should I call it? Find a cave, get some resources, survive the night, and pretty much end the video there. So, during the, I don't know if it's Christmas or New Year, I automatically get a pet. It's kind of awesome. So yeah, I'll be getting some resources, doing the first things you should do in a Let's Play in a Terraria world, and probably be ending the video there. So I've actually played this game before. It's not my first time playing the game. It's probably my millionth time playing the game, but it's the second time I've been recording the game. So if you've noticed that I've been being silent for a while, and I like the professional YouTubers that can always talk about something, talk about the game. I am not used to talking to myself, not even when I was in my previous YouTube account, also Magic Gaming, because in that account I was actually doing gaming videos, and one video with my cousin Hunter X. I probably will be making videos with him again, but that'll be in the near future. I'll be uploading this in 2019, but I actually am recording this in 2018, not like January 2018. Oh geez, just like December 2018. Okay, so I'll be recording ahead of time, but it'll be uploading kind of late, if you've noticed. I've actually been recording my Super City like a week ahead, but I upload like like 3 times a week. I try to upload daily, but I'll be changing my schedule like 3 times a day, so no one's getting confused. And I will get this hey, bauxite, copper bar, and what a useful item, the magic mirror, and bottles, of course. They have ropes. Okay, I won't get that because that's too hard to get. I don't have torches. I need torches. It's cracking. Oh, low volume. Dude. Wait, which is more powerful? 10 range damage, 9 range. Okay, I won't get that. Or no, this. Oh, this is a cave system. Okay. Oh yes, a life crystal. What a useful item. Get that. Yes. I don't know if this works anymore. Okay. I was trying to duplicate it so I get full life at it, but it doesn't work in this version anymore. I should probably like get more slime, should I? Cause it's too early to freaking torch up the place. Yeah, that's awesome, man. I love ropes. Let's start. But it's gonna get useless anyways, later on. But ropes are your friend. And glow sticks. And healing potions. And anything else. And this is lead, right? Lead's like the bluish one. Black. Blue and black. I like this color, but I don't like the texture. I don't know why I'm speaking like this. I should probably be more energetic, should I? So, like, when I'm recording, I don't have this stuff for recording. I only use Mobizen, and like, as a microphone, I use my earphones. You know what? I'll throw a picture on my left here, if I can. I'll picture myself on what I look like. I look like a freaking idiot doing this, cause I still don't have the resources for recording purposes, like a microphone, like proper stuff, you know. Yes, gold. Okay. Oh wait. Oh yeah. This isn't my first. What do you call it? First character that I've made, so I don't get like. I didn't get the bug net, so that's kind of a bummer. But you gotta start somewhere. But I didn't get the bonus stuff. It's getting dark, so, and I hit a dead end. It's not a dead end, but yeah, I should teleport back home, where I don't have a home yet. This video is probably gonna be like 15 minutes tops, or maybe I'll extend it to 20 minutes. But yeah. Okay, so where do I spawn? It's here. So I don't want to make a house around here. Just want to make like a protection barrier. But this will get destroyed. Like, I don't know. Okay, this isn't gonna be my house. I just want to make like a spawn area. Cause yeah, baddies are gonna spawn during the night. Okay. Where's my guide? Whatever. I'll just make a small house. I'm not gonna like measure it. There's no ruler in this version of Terraria, which is kind of a bummer. This is gonna be my starting house. This is not gonna be my permanent house. I don't know. But meantime, this is my house. Okay. I'll place this here. I know it's kind of big, but I'll be doing something. I'll be having this, turning it to two, like, areas or something. So the ground floor is for guide, bottom floor is for me. Okay. I'll need some stone. Where's stone? Like quick access stone. Hey guide, what's up? This quick access stone. I'll need to kill you first though. Man, it's so hard to kill zombies when I start out. But later on, it's like one hit kill. Like, so freaking easy. Is this enough for a furnace? I don't know. I don't think so. Yeah. Oh no, I need torches. Okay, that's right. Okay. Yeah, I gathered that stone for no reason. Okay, so that's good. I'll move this for the meantime. It's kinda... yeah. Okay, oh, what the heck? Okay. I'll just make this for the meantime. Yeah, it all equips. Good. Whoa, this is too much, man. Lead door, why would I make that? It's probably sturdier. Yeah. I should have used this. So for the sake of not looking stupid. Oh, what? That's 3. This is 4. I'll set bonus. Okay. I get it. Can I make a chest? No. Actually, no. That's wise. I was gonna make that anyway, so. There you go. No. Demon Eye. Hey, aren't you supposed to go now? It's already late. I know day starts at 4:30 a.m. in this, like, game, but not in the real world. Probably, yeah, too. Come on. I'll get this and then move on. I'll just freaking mirror. Way easier. Okay. What was I supposed to make? Oh, chest. And I'll dump all my stuff. But first, my priority is to get this here. And then I'll get the other stuff. Okay. What do I need? I'll get this. I don't care about pet much. Get the ropes. I get this too. Okay. Oh, that's it. I need one more slot. Should I carry around the dirt? No, I'll just carry this out. Okay, I should end this video here. It's a good place to start off. You know what? I'll finish this first. I need another door. And I'll floor it with wood. Hey, get out! You have your own house. Oh, we have our own house. So don't interrupt this. Sorry, hit you. This is not harsh. this isn't our house, okay? This is our house. This is our house. This isn't. So get out. This is my spawn point, bro. I'm trying to be creative here. Okay, that's kind of cool. Now you're trapped there. Good for you. I'll need some slime for a second, because there's no light there. So slimies, I'll end the video by 20 minutes. Where's the slimes when you need them? Oh, there we go. I need 2. Oh, these are just 1 actually. Okay, well, you gave me 2 anyways. And top it off. There. So this is my spawn point. See? So when I like magic mirror, I have somewhere to go. I'm like protected. You know what I mean? You know what? Get out. Okay. So I'll end the video here. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, comment on the video, and share this video if you would like. Watch this video, which YouTube recommends for you personally, in my channel, and what probably, I don't know how these work. Watch this video, which is my Super City tutorial playlist, and I'll stall this for a few seconds so you can click it if you want. Subscribe. If you have subscribed, please click the notification bell so you get notified when a new video comes out. Subscribe, like this video, comment on this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Videos. Click these. Click these. See you. Bye.